day on the water. Still make my way towards the Bay Bridge. Hey, so yeah, gorgeous day. Cousin Brian did a great job fixing the boat up. A lot of overcast, but I should be able to see the Bay Bridge at this point, somewhere up ahead. After the breeze being on the nose for so long, it's great to finally be able to get some sails up. Just charging here. Really over or up with this delivery here. I finally got the jib up. I'll put the bow down a bit, try to make up some time here. Try to make it home for dinner. It's not going to happen, but you can try. And it's just a gorgeous day. Absolutely gorgeous. Making trees on the boat in front of us. Although we have our engine on. Good old Nissan 5 horsepower, I believe. My dude's a bit busy here. Yeah, little driving situation. The chop comes and goes. This is a little bit of a flat spot. Grounding this past point, things really flattened out a bunch. You can put the bow down a bit so it's a little bit more chill. I wasn't able to record before because it was too full on. Getting the sails up has obviously been awful. Reef for this delivery, return hate mission, return Small Ocean race practice has been glamorous. Got our main steering here, my tip sheet, attached to my butt so I don't lose it. Mostly just trimming. Before I was overpowered, so kind of just dumping. Now I'm starting to flying out. Chill out here a bit. Nemesis, Bay Bridge up ahead. Way up ahead. You can see over the camera. We are still champagne sailing here. Looking like. Anyway, I'll just read it to you. We've been going 7, 8 miles per hour. I mean, 17 miles from that bridge right there. Bay Bridge. After that, it's just a turn up into the Severn River where the boat lives, and we still got just gorgeous conditions. The boat is very under control. The single reef. I can't really do all the, single-handing, conditions like this. You just have to get the sails up, and counter tension, cutting in. All the control lines are all way off. Nothing is by far perfect, but the boat is the right sail combo, so I'm happy about that. Single reef and a smaller jib. This boat also has some Genoa. Screeching conditions, right? So just trying to keep it powered up through this sloppy stuff. Again, I'd probably have more sail up if I didn't have the motor running. So definitely helping. Otherwise, we definitely would be full main. Maybe with the Genoa up. I'm not sure. We sail the conditions a little breezier than this. The problem with the lulls are kind of bad here, so I might be forced to have the Genoa up. Like this. This definitely works with the apparent wind that the motor is affording us pretty far forward. Just about trimming just our main sheet and our wind sheet right here. I got this led back to me as well. I'm really bad at doing this at the same time. Pull it up. There we go. Set this step up. Pretty easy to manage once everything's set up. Taking the sails back down is going to be an ordeal. Gas in the gas can will also be an ordeal, especially if this breeze stays up. Just trying to make good time. At this point, I'll worry about getting the sails down later. The turning in Severn is pretty soon after the bridge, so since I have the motor anyway, if I get a quick lull at the bridge or just after it, I can get up into the shoreline. Yeah, just do the takedown the sails then. Yeah, so stoked for this opportunity to do this delivery. It was an early morning wake up at outgoing time in Delaware River up in Riverton, 1:15 a.m. this morning, just to power reaching. It's actually crazy. I packed all this gas, decided to go right through and try to finish this thing off as much in daylight as possible. And the boat looks great. The boat looks fantastic. A big shout out to my cousin Brian. He did the repair work, did more detail with the shrouds there. Also the mast butt up in there. Buddy Pierce, he loaned me his floaty boat trailer. Really appreciative of that. Buddy Jeremy helped do work to the mast. Pat Kern helped get the mast up in the air. So, and there's probably other people that helped as well. But huge shout out to everyone that helped make this happen, get us on the water. It's going to be back in time, just in time to start the AYC Frostbite series. Wow, what a day on the water. Still make my way towards the Bay Bridge, but it's right there, 5 miles away. Boats chug along great. Rockstar. Welcome party into Annapolis. The engine's still rocking. Anyway, thanks for joining along. It was a crazy 19-hour journey. Do I recommend anyone do it? Absolutely not. It was definitely a little sketchy, but got the job done, and it was memorable and definitely a lot of fun. Don't ever do anything like that, but if you do, make sure you're nice and safe about it. Yeah, thanks for joining along. Please like, share, subscribe, leave comments if you have any, good, bad, ugly. I also have an Instagram. Check that out, Boating with Billy.